Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video, this one is so long overdue because it is an Aliexpress nail stuff haul, and I actually recorded this a year ago back in May 2022, but unfortunately a lot of things happened and I'm only now able to do this video for you guys. So if you're new, please subscribe if you haven't already, of course, and if you would like any links to the products, I will do my best to look them up and find them for you. Since it has been over a year, I will have to check and see if I can still find the direct links where I got them. But first of all, I'm already unboxing some really nice, super realistic silicone hands, like practice hands. You can put some false nails on those and just work with gel polishes, regular polishes, acrylics, whatever you would like. So I actually got these because I tend to work on my own natural nails, but sometimes I don't want to switch up my manicure just yet, especially on my right hand, which I always apply gel polishes onto. So that is pretty much why I got them, and I did a lot of research before actually buying these because these were really expensive as far as AliExpress prices go. I've got a set of hands, so a left and a right hand. These were 73 euros, so those were quite expensive, but I do really want to like mention a little bit extra or emphasize that they are super realistic. They also came with these little clamps that you can actually clamp them into, but because the hands are quite heavy, these are made out of silicone, so they're quite hefty. They don't stay put on my nail desk, so for me it's easier to just hold them in my hand while working with them. So I will pretty much just figure out what I'm going to do with those clasps because they are quite easy to put your phone in as like a holder as well. Then I also got a pair of half feet, and that is just because I hear you guys, you really want to do or want to see me do like toenail art and stuff like that, but it's really difficult for me to record those in my like current recording setup because I have to put my feet on my desk and work on it and be in focus. It's just not easy. Like, I'm flexible enough, like that's not the issue, but it's just difficult to work like that. So the half feet, I actually got those separately and those were 43 euros each, so once again quite expensive, but they look so realistic. It is insane. And again, they're quite hefty. They do have a decent weight to them, so they work like regular feet would work, to be honest. Then next up, I'm already unboxing a Keds, I hope, or Cots, I don't know how to pronounce it. It is a brand that I found at AliExpress. I actually got recommended this brand by some of my subscribers like a year ago already, and I got a set of 47 stamping polish for only 38 euros, which is so inexpensive. So they actually have a little like pen like tip as well, so you can use it with the brush onto your stamping plates, but you can use these polishes with the pen side directly onto your nails as well if you're really artistic, really creative, and have a super steady hand and just draw on any image straight onto your nail with these polishes. So I got 47 pieces. They're all different. I have actually just stored them in one of those lipstick racks, like those acrylic transparent containers, because I had a ton of those as well. They just fit in there like perfectly, so I have a couple of those like stored next to each other so I can actually see all of the colors. So yeah, I did get rid of all of the separate boxes they came in. So next up, I really wanted to get a couple more stampers because I tend to use my Essence stamper the most, and that one is discontinued, which I always feel really bad about when using it in my videos because it is discontinued, but I love it so much. And yeah, I'd rather just use something that you can still get your hands on as well. So that is why I got a couple of Big Beauty, or what are they called? Beauty Big Bang. I'm messing up words today. So yeah, I got 2 square stampers, and I didn't really try square stampers before, but I think they're come in really handy, especially with my length of nails. Like my nails at the moment are quite similar to the length they are in this video a year ago. They are a little bit longer, to be honest, but fun thing is I actually shortened both of my middle fingernails like a month ago as well, which is quite like typical that it's around the same time last year that I had shorter middle finger nails as well. But the stampers were about €2 each. Then I remember this, I got this like little tool set in the mail, which has brushes or like detail brushes on one side, and on the other side there are like dotting tools. I have ordered this maybe 2 years ago and I never got it in the mail, and I actually already like opened a dispute and stuff at Aliexpress to get my money back, which was only like €1.50 or something, but I never got them in the mail. And then like a year ago, out of nowhere, I got them in the mail to my like current address as well, because I actually moved I'd say like 6 months after I ordered these. So yeah, I don't know what happened, but mysteriously they actually happened to get into my mail at my current address, which was quite cool. I was really surprised about that. Next up, I got a bunch of clear gems. Usually when I do a full-on like bedazzled nail, I go for AB crystals, but I really like just the regular plain like silver backings, clear gems as well. So all of these bags, I think I got them from like ranging from €1 to €2, €3, €4. Like the bigger the size, the higher the price. But all the bags contain 1,440 pieces. So that is quite a lot, and they will last me a really long time as well. Then I got a bunch of super nice big gems. You can actually use these for nail art, but you can glue them onto like denim jackets or jeans or shoes or bags or anything like that. Some of them you can even stitch on specific fabrics if you're into that, but I pretty much just got them because I like anything that's blingy and sparkly. And I tend to do some crazy nail art every now and then with super big gems and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to try them out. I still haven't really unboxed them, put them in my little like gem containers. So if you would like me to do like a new unboxing organization video when it comes to gems like these, let me know in the comments down below, because after a year of receiving these I still haven't done that. But the price of these really big gems were around €3 to €4, like the really big ones. With the triangular shaped ones, those were around €5 a bag, which still is not that expensive in my opinion. They really look good. One tip that I would love to give if you're going to use these on your nails, especially if you're using them with regular nail polish or gel nail polish, is to really get them on there securely. And if you want to wear them for a longer period of time, make sure to really cap in the edges of the crystals so they stay put for a super long time. And even if you really have a really good top coat that doesn't dull the shine of your gems, you can go on top of the gem as well to really make sure they last long, they don't discolor or lose their shine or anything like that. So yeah, finally, this is kind of like a really weird buy because it is an ashtray, like a glass Hello Kitty ashtray. Don't worry, I don't smoke. I never have. I will never smoke, to be honest. But ashtrays are actually quite handy when it comes to putting crystals in there, if you're gonna use them. One thing that I actually use it for as we speak, I'm actually looking at the ashtray while doing this voiceover a year after recording this video, is that I put my crystals in there, like my rose quartz, any type of clear quartz I have, some pyrite, stuff like that. I actually just have them in there, just sitting on my desk being all pretty and magical. So yeah, that is also something you can use a cute, like a super cute Hello Kitty ashtray for as well. Next up, I'm already unboxing some other like miscellaneous stuff that I ordered. I just love cute stuff. So I got a couple of bracelets with some characters of like My Melody. Super cute, super adorable. They are just a tinge small for my wrists at the moment, but I'm just gonna keep it because, you know, who knows if I'll ever get a second daughter, you know? But yeah, the pen I also unboxed is actually the pen that I use all the time to write down any video ideas or anything like that. It is just a really nice black ink pen. It works really nicely as well, so I'm actually like, I hope I can still find the link to those pens because I really want to order some extras. But all of the items, starting from the ashtray up till these little cute nail embellishments of like the My Melody and the Hello Kitty characters and stuff, they're all from the same seller. So yeah, just let me know if you want any links or anything. But the nail crystals, or not the crystals, the embellishments that I'm sharing right here, they're just so adorable. I got those for about, I think it was a little less than €2 a bag, and there are 20 little embellishments per bag, so that is not a bad deal. Like 10 cents for one embellishment, or even less than 10 cents, and they're just so cute. Like, seriously, definitely let me know if you want to see me do any type of nail art with these, because they are just so cute. I do have to like see if I can fit them on my nails right now, since my nails on my right hand are a little shorter than the others, so I might have to do a design with regular nail polishes instead of gel. Then finally I did get some facial masks, and that is not because of Androni or anything like that. These are just dust masks that I love to use while filing off my gel polish design, because you don't want to inhale all those fine dusts and stuff like that. So I got some really cute Pokemon ones and some really adorable Mario brother ones, which are so cute. Just look at those cute little characters. So yeah, I got these for about €5 a pack of 50. But yeah, that was pretty much all I got. Let me know if you want any links, and I hope to see you next time.